Choose a quote or message that resonates with you. Look for a quote or message that speaks to your personal values or experience. This will make it easier for you to speak authentically and passionately about the message. Create a visually engaging video. Use visuals that complement the message, such as uplifting images or animations. You can also experiment with typography, color, and other design elements to make the video visually appealing. Use music to set the tone. Choose a background track that matches the tone of the message, whether it's upbeat and motivational or more contemplative and reflective. Keep it short and simple. To maximize the impact of the message, keep the video short and to the point. A length of 30 seconds to a minute is generally a good guideline. Share the video on social media. Once you have created the video, share it on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Use hashtags and tags to reach a wider audience and encourage others to share the message. Overall, creating an inspirational video can be a powerful way to uplift and motivate others and to share your personal values and experiences with the world.